Hello there. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing a little bit of research about how to do affiliate marketing, or how you can make money online, or even how you can actually make money from the comfort of your homes. Either way, my name is Alunda Silva and I am an online entrepreneur. So basically what I do is to teach people how they can make money online from the comfort of their homes. And if you are someone you resonate with this, or you're interested in this, please click to go to the next page and opt into my people and take advantage of my 4 days free training that will teach you how you can actually make your first dollar online. You know what? A couple of years ago, I was indebted to my school. I owed a bit more than $10,000. And as a young girl just finishing my master's degree, I didn't know what to do. I was really confused and I didn't know what to do. So I decided to go online and search on how can I make money to be able to cover up for this debt. So I searched online and I discovered affiliate marketing. I discovered that I could actually promote legitimate products that I myself have been through, and they helped me. I can promote them and earn a commission. And I was able to raise the money and pay my school fees. And yeah, and I decided to teach other people how they can actually make money online and to be able to afford whatever they want to afford from the comfort of their home. And if you resonate with this message, please click the button and opt into my people, and I will see you inside. Remember, take advantage of this free course. It's going to teach you how you can make your first dollar online. My name is Alunda Silva and I'm going to see you inside. Cheers.